beautiful people, this is me Prachi, welcome to my channel, and please do like, subscribe and comment. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is I'm going for a Sunday market and I'm super duper excited about it. I'm going to Victoria Market. So the timing is from 10 to 5 and I'm super excited. There's going to be a lot of things over there. Obviously it's a market, and also there's going to be food, which is one thing I'm really excited about, because the last time I went to a market there's like really cool Jamaican food, so hopefully I get something good. So right now I'm just walking. It's very peaceful, pretty sunny. The temperature outside is 21 degrees, so it's kind of sunny. But yeah, I like this weather. Not too sunny because I don't like it when it's too sunny. It's a pretty quiet place, definitely. Especially like inside the lanes. I'm walking in a lane right now. So yeah, and there are a lot of dogs, so that makes me kind of happy. So I'm just walking, and I'll definitely make a video once I'm there. Also, I'll just show you guys around a little. You can see. So I'm here at Victoria Park right now, and it seems pretty crowded to me. Looks cool. This is the entrance, and this is from 10 to 5 every Sunday. I think it's every Sunday, or maybe on Saturdays as well. I'm not sure. So this is the entrance. Pretty damn crowded. I actually like it. Kind of miss crowds. Beautiful boats. Okay, open every Sunday from 10 to 4. Victoria Park Market. Yippee, let's go! So, coffee shop here. Okay, by the way, there's so many people here. It's so damn crowded. It's unbelievable. Like, you know, during the COVID times, and no one is wearing masks. It's so crazy. I see like a very few people wearing masks around me, and there are dogs. Look at that guy, look at that guy, look at that guy. Oh my god, I love him. Just wow, right? So they're like sushi bowls. Okay, I'll definitely try that. And the people running, and a lot of people, like people just sitting and chilling here and there. Pretty damn cool. But I just don't understand, like during the corona times, during the pandemic, these many people without masks, I'm almost scared for myself. But at least I'm wearing a mask. Oh my, wow. Just wow. So many. But there's a lot to eat, so that's one thing I'm really excited about. There's so many things that I can try here. So many people on bikes and walking. And Kolkata hot kati rolls, I'm gonna check that out. Yeah, I'm just gonna go and check that out. Definitely, the Malaysian food, falafel. This wow, I'm kind of so excited right now. So many things. Let's look at this. Hot kati rolls. So there's chicken roll, paneer roll, masala fries. Okay, that's it. Yeah, I think I can take the paneer roll. That's for £8. But I don't really feel like having any of this. Well, the preparation looks like pretty cool, right? By the way, for now, there's only payment that's being accepted at all the places here. But yeah, pretty cool. I'm not gonna try that because I don't really feel like having food right now. There's Malaysian food, coconut chicken, grilled tofu. That's for me. Yeah, just a lot of food stalls. Pretty amazing place. Great for Sundays. So, there are actually a lot of people who are waiting in the queue. I just saw there's like a huge queue rolls. So these are the people who are waiting, and this is the social distancing thing that they're done. So you know, people have to stand behind the cone. But there's so many people waiting for the Kolkata rolls. Pretty amazing. Okay, so I'll just go straight and see what else they have. The Afghan street food. This looks like wow. The preparation looks amazing. Although I don't really eat non-veg, so it's not for me. But just I don't know. It just looks so amazing. So they're giving a rice box. There's drinks, and then there's a wrap. So that's barbecue chicken, that's steamed rice with chicken again, and there's drinks. And again, there's like a huge queue for it, as you can see. So many people waiting for it. Yeah. Okay, and then this is lovely bunch of coconuts. Okay, there's biryani, there's veg biryani, there's chicken biryani. I can probably try the veg biryani. Fun, right? A traditional vegan gelato. So they have dark chocolate, mint chocolate chip, raspberry, lemon. Pretty cool, right? Like the cones look so amazing. Oh my god. Like the charcoal cone, and then there's the nutty cone. And again, there's like a huge queue here. So there are like burgers here. This is really funny. So sort of making a video. So in the menu, they have no piggy. That's the wedge. Pretty funny, right? But yeah, so they have a lot of different options here. A lot of food stalls. Like wow. I think the Kolkata rolls had like a huge queue. The others, it's fine, not so much. Oh my god, there's a small dog playing with a big dog. That looks cute. It's there. So I'm gonna try the dumpling right now. I'm waiting in the queue. Here is. It's not a very big queue. They have vegetarian. By the way, in London, from my experience, almost all the places have a vegetarian or a vegan option these days. So that's pretty amazing. So I'm just gonna have this dumpling truck. Yeah, I'll just show you how to do the dumpling and also the menu and stuff. So let's try it. That lady's an inspiration. Like look at her age. I don't know if you guys can see her properly. 1 second. Yeah, like look at what she's doing. She's pretty old. She's doing it so conveniently. Amazing, I must say. Huge park. Like the food stall, I probably walked for 10 more minutes to get to this area, and then there are clothing stores and everything, but I can't really see any. I think over there might be a few, but yeah, everyone's wearing like any just whatever they want to. That's pretty cool. Like someone's running, someone's just chilling, someone's wearing like really fancy clothes. Really fun place. And I'm just walking. It's pretty sunny. It's actually very sunny. There are so many dogs here. I love the fact that there are like so many dogs. Over there in Calcutta, most of the parks, dogs are not even allowed inside the parks. Like there's this park in Calcutta called Eco Park, and dogs are not allowed. That makes me so sad. But here, like dogs are everywhere. Almost everyone has like a dog with them. I've seen so many people with dogs here. Just buying the chubby meal box. So there are like 3-4 options. There's the drink, then there's a chubby meal where they have like noodling in the collection point. It's really cool that you can order from one queue and then you just collect it here and make the payment over there. And then there are a few people waiting, although the order queue is pretty long. There's still so many people. I waited for like minutes and it's extremely sunny. But yeah, let's just see how it is. I got the dumpling box, the chubby meal from the dumplings. So in Victoria Park, and I'll show you what it is. So this is about £9, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 dumplings, some noodles, some salad, and well, they had like 3 sauce options. One was hot garlic, one was soy sauce, and another thing. So I'm just trying this box here. This is the noodle. I need to add something. It's just plain boiled noodles. Sauce is really nice. I'll try the dumpling now. Just the dumplings is for £3. Pretty good. There's a lot of oil though, but really soft. The filling is really nice. It's a great meal for a fun person because it has like noodles, salad and dumpling. You can definitely try this. This is in Victoria Market dumplings. There are a lot of stalls here, but there's a long queue, so I just decided to have this one thing. And I'll just show you guys around the clothing area as well. Till then, bye-bye. Hi guys, I'm trying the coffee here. There's like a cool coffee stall. I'll just show you what it looks like. And this is what it is. It looks pretty, I really like the design. Like it's very minimalistic. Really pretty place. So I'll just show you guys the menu. There's double espresso, Americano, filter, well, iced latte. Okay, by the way, I should tell you that in London, from my experience, you usually get a lot of frappes and everything. So if you like cold coffee and stuff like me, you probably won't get a lot of options. You get like iced coffee, iced latte here. So I'm gonna just take an iced coffee because it's extremely sunny. So I got the iced latte. There were 3 options in the iced category, so I got the iced latte. This is actually pretty good. Like I don't like the coffee here. I don't know. There's something about the coffee. It just tastes so good. No frappes though. I mean frappes are there, but like at Starbucks and a few other coffee shops, but not at all the coffee shops. But that's pretty great. And here I'm gonna go to Normal Market, which has I think clothing and other things. So I'll show you guys around. This is the donut I think I should get the donut. Okay, one-way system because of coronavirus. I'll maybe get the donuts. I'll just show you what the donuts look like. So there's cinnamon, raspberry, milk chocolate truffle, matcha tea, orange and banana and cherry. So these are the options. Okay, so there's so many shops. Happy Eating House. One second, let me just adjust the camera. So they have oils, black bean cooking sauce. Then there's donuts. I actually did get donuts from Donuts. And there's a lot of different places, really cool places. Organic produce. And there are so many bakeries, vegetables, fruits, juices, just so many things. It's like a perfect Sunday outing. You get food, you can chill, you can come with your friends, just, you know, sit in the park, skate, cycle, just do whatever the hell you want to do. It's actually amazing. There are sausages, burgers, then there are these vegetable and fruit vendors. Smokery and kitchen. Oh, this is completely veg. There are a lot of vegan options here. So many vegan options. Okay, these are dog delicacies. Natural healthy dog treats. Pretty fun place. Do visit. I think this is the end of it though. But yeah, do visit this place. It's amazing actually.